Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to find a transaction on the Clover Compact credit card terminal. So first you're going to come to the main screen and press where it says transactions. Here you're going to look up the transaction by either the last four of the card, or you can look it up by the payment ID. In this case, let's say for example I want to find this transaction right here. I'm going to be able to see if it was refunded or if it was paid. Let's say, for example, this. I can see that it was voided, but maybe I want to reissue a receipt. So I can come here, print a receipt. Or if for whatever reason I want a paper receipt and I want my client to get the receipt via email or text, I can do that as well right here. If you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave us a comment below. Thank you.